Welcome back to another video of Makwala Agri. So this is my chicken house. It's ready for the new cycle. But sad news is that I don't know when will that cycle happen. What basically happened today in the morning, I just received a call. I was actually cleaning this place. I was just gonna disinfect it again. I've cleaned it like a few weeks back. Remember that we had tomatoes inside this house, and now we were actually preparing for our cycle. So we're gonna be grazing 400 for the festive season. Unfortunately, I received a call now that I need to come and collect my money. I've paid around like 6,000 to actually buy those chickens. Fortunately now, the shop where I normally buy my chicken from, they just called me and said that they will not receive those chicks anymore. So the avian flu, it's serious, guys. So we're gonna be having a really shortage of chicken in December. So for the festive season, I won't be operating. It will be first time in my life not being operating the festive season since I started my business, and I'm gonna take a break, man. No, actually it's not my first time. In 2021 when I started, we also had a similar problem with flu, and we didn't have chickens. So I only received my chicken around December time, which it was for January business. So it's my second time actually not operating in the festive season, and I can tell you it's really painful because I'm gonna be receiving a lot of calls, man. Even now I'm receiving calls from a lot of farmers asking me where can they get day old chicks. Guys, I'm facing the similar problem as you. Just because I'm Makwala Agri, I have a YouTube, I have followers on YouTube and so on, it doesn't mean I'm not facing the same problem as you are. I'm also facing the same problem, and I just want to say to you guys, let's wait until next year. As for this year, no, we're out of business. We are out of business. So you know, when 2020 COVID hit and people didn't have jobs, they lost jobs and no income. It's us now as broiler farmers, as poultry industry. It's us now. We're not gonna be having any income. So right now I'm just gonna take a shower, drive to Polokwane and get my money. I was really excited about this one because we also got a sponsorship for this cycle. Poltech was on board to actually sponsor us with equipment to raise these 400 chickens. But unfortunately, the avian flu didn't love us, guys. Didn't like us, didn't love us. But it's a learning curve. It's those challenges that we face in business. So this house is gonna be resting for a while now. For a while now. Maybe it's gonna be my storage for chicken for tomatoes for a while now. So we actually took the tomatoes out. Like let me just show you the tomatoes that were inside the house. So we just took them out now because we were preparing for the cycle. It seems like this festive season I'll only be focusing on selling tomatoes and as well as selling green peppers. It's true when they say don't put your eggs in one bucket as a farmer. So this is what they mean. You must diversify. So when one knocks down, at least the other one can pick up. So I'm gonna be selling my green peppers and my tomatoes this festive season. If you're looking for tomatoes and green peppers, just holler at me. Chickens. If I'm gonna be selling chicken, it means that I'm gonna be a reseller. So I'm gonna be buying from those big farmers and coming to my farm and sell them. That's how I'm gonna be doing it. But guys, I'm facing the similar problem as you. I don't know where to get chicks. I've been seeing your comment asking where can we get chicks. I also don't know where, because where I thought I got them, they just called me now to come back and collect my money. So imagine you paid 6,000 and then now they calling you to come and collect your 6,000. I'm gonna blow it this festive season. Yo, uzobamnandi. Tango.